Alright y'all, welcome to a brand new video. I just came back from Spain, picked up the van yesterday, and we're gonna knock out a bunch of work. I have a lot planned for this week, the coming weeks. My brother and his girlfriend are coming soon to help out with a lot. We're gonna get the floor knocked out, get all the rest of these walls knocked out. I think we have some plans for the window frame. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm super excited. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of progress made. I hope that you guys can enjoy this video. And yeah, honestly guys, the weather's not ideal, but it's gonna clear up. It's starting to get warm. Weather's really important here. So yeah, let's hope that everything keeps going good, guys. All right, guys. We've been doing a lot of work. The weather is absolutely amazing. I've been nonstop working on this since I got back from Spain. I got the walls knocked out, all of them. We built this window frame. I built this window frame around the window so that we can just cut off the walls in a straight line, and it looks super amazing from outside. I mean, it's just completely transforming the van. I put some tape over the holes, but I'll figure out a better solution for all of that. And I got the one wheel well completely finished up. This one still has a bunch of wires that my brother wants to look at. So I'm gonna go pick him up this weekend and we're gonna have a look at it together and hopefully just start knocking this out because we're really making progress. I got this these sheets laid down for the flooring, and I'm gonna do all of this later, but for right now, super happy with this. So what we're gonna do is just put this little small little insulation material under the here, where is the flooring? It's over here. Let me show you guys the flooring real quick. Just picked it up from IKEA. It's super nice. It's a little darker wood. I love the look of it. I think it's gonna look amazing in this van. Super happy with it. So hopefully it should be pretty easy to install. Everything's going great. I'm really happy I got the walls in. So I'll hopefully get the rest of this floor knocked out pretty soon, guys. All right, guys, I just got back from Delft. Well, actually, I mean, we got back a couple hours ago. I picked up my brother and his girlfriend. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Hey, Will. Yeah, they're super happy with how everything's going. Of course, they've been watching all my vlogs, I hope.
I have.
Definitely.
Yeah. So we picked them up yesterday, and we have been working on the van all day, and just look at that. We are flying through this flooring. I'm super happy and pleased with how easy it's getting laid down and how fast we're flying through this, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. It is just completely transforming the look of this van, and it actually is starting to look like something that we can live in. My brother's girlfriend Hannah is working on the doors. We're painting these white so that it will look more like walls within the van because we're going to be using white wallpaper. I think we're going to get a lot done this Easter weekend. I hope y'all have a wonderful Easter, and I hope you guys enjoy the time lapses, and I'll see you guys later. All right, y'all. It's the end of another video, and I think this is the biggest video by far. We have done a lot of stuff, and I'm super glad that my brother and her girlfriend Hannah, his girlfriend, my bad. His girlfriend Hannah was here to help us because, I mean, we flew through this. We got the full. We have a plastic tarp under it, but it's beautiful how we did this.
Looking sick.
It does look really sick, and I love it. Hannah did all the paint work on the window frame, this door, and these outside doors, and it looks super epic. I just love it. And today,
come check this out.
We worked on all of this electrical work. It was really confusing at the beginning. I mean, we bought the wrong cables. We had to do a lot of redneck engineering, but it did work. And it all is super safe. And we need to hide some of these cables.
It's super safe.
Super
We
safe.
have to say that.
I mean, we did everything we could to make it as safe as possible, at least.
Everything.
It looks great.
It looks great.
Hats off to you guys.
And the solar, like, this has a bunch of information on it. I don't know what any of it means. My brother does, luckily. But the solar panels are working and charging the batteries, so that's good news. And we finally got the first electrical thing working.
Check it out. So the battery's working. We can pump it up.
We still gotta
Excuse
learn
me,
the controls.
awkward. Look how sick that is.
And ice cold air is coming out of that, and it's blowing hard. So everything's going great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Not a lot of talking, just a lot of work has been done. Please, guys, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see more of. I'm super happy that my brother and his girlfriend were able to help. We're gonna go drive the van out there, drop it off. I have to go back to Spain, so I'll be working on the house again, and hopefully you guys enjoy that too. I'll see you guys later.